What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this Mission to Mars from Swatch. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys. So again, I have here a Swatch by Omega by Swatch. So but again, I have here a Mission to Mars. It's a red color Swatch. And again, red color is my favorite. So anyway, again, this is a very nice watch actually. The temperature here is minus 36, gonna be nice. And has a 2 moon and has a weak gravity, has a blue sunsets. Wow, nice. One day Mars will have a ring. Whoa, let's go. So, but again, we're going to unbox this and we'll see again what's the impression. And so far, this video is not sponsored by Swatch, but if you wanna sponsor, thank you so much. So, but again, this watch is about $335 in Canadian. So I just got this one here from the mall. So there you go. Beautiful. Why? What's wrong? Anyway, so there you go. So what's in the box? Again, there's some paperwork, manual, another manual here. And ta-da! There you go. Oops. So this is it. Wow. Nice one, guys. I really like it because it's red color. So that's one thing. And I was so hesitant to get this kind of watch because of their the strap. It's kind of yes and no to me because it's white color and then there is it's a Velcro and you know it's gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be nasty if you're going to, you know, in rain or your armrest is sweating. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if this is good kind of strap. That's the only comment that I have this. And I tried to find a replacement for their strap, but I can't find the same color as this. No, I keep on ordering online and then I keep on sending back because the color is different. But again, one thing I love Swatch because it's unlimited replacement for battery in case it's gonna be die or whatever. It's replacement battery for lifetime. So I have, this is my 7th collection for 7 or 5 collection of my Swatch, but again, I have no problem with Swatch. I love it. And how much more if this is Omega, right? So, but again, awesome product. I love Swatch. It's too light, you know, and the thing here is so tricky. When you put this one in on your armrest, or if you're gonna wear this one, you have a problem. How are you going to, and it takes time for you to put it in, and there you go, bang. It's so it fits on my armrest. It's beautiful, guys. But again, if you're working and you're on the table, it's keep on scratching here and it's gonna be this color, you know what I mean, because it's white, right? So it's gonna be nice if they have a replacement for a strap so that at least, you know, you can replace it or something. So far so good. I have no problem with the watch. It's beautiful, nice one. You know, when you look at it, it's beautiful. I'm gonna remove the plastic here. Woo, beautiful. I'm gonna try to remove this one now. Anyway, I'm gonna wear it. So nice one. Again, My perspective for this, price is right, $335 Canadian. So it's beautiful. Look at that. Nice one. So, but if you want this, it's available in any Swatch store in Canada. And this is not a limited edition, so it's still in their store if you want to get. I just got this one from West Edmonton Mall in Edmonton. And because they don't have it here in Calgary anymore, so that's why I went to Edmonton just to buy this watch. So nice, I like it. So light, so light, because it's a plastic, right? So that's one thing that I like Swatch, because it's too light watch. Oh, I have no complaints with Swatch. So beautiful. So I hope, guys, you enjoy watching my unboxing here with this Swatch. And if you have any comment, question, just let me know. And yeah, so far so good. Look at that. Nice, eh? Nice one. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like Swatch. So, but ayun, guys, if you're not yet subscribing to my channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. And again, if you have any question, just comment below. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.